Now that we are above the clouds, it's time to relax and enjoy your flight. As a complimentary service, we offer a hot meal and beverages during the flight and a light meal before landing. You will find snacks and beverages available for purchase on the Sky Bistro menu, and our cabin crew is available to serve you anytime during the flight. You can access the complimentary Nordic Sky portal anytime during the flight from your own device. Explore our Nordic selection, Finnair exclusive products, and take advantage of our great offers. You can also read news, get information about your travel destination, and contact Finnair customer service. If you want to browse the web, visit the Nordic Sky portal to purchase internet access or to redeem internet access included in your ticket. Take advantage of our great offers on board and start shopping during the flight. Always remember to show your Finnair Plus card for additional benefits. Our tier members get an extra 10% off when flying outside the EU. Collect Finnair Plus points and make your travel experience even more comfortable. Or use your points with our worldwide partner network for hotels, car rental service, shopping and more.
Hei, tervetuloa vielä kerran lennolle. Tarjoamme tällä lennolla lämpimän aterian ruokajuomineen sekä ennen laskeutumista vielä toisen kevyen aterian. Nyt on hyvä aika tehdä ostoksia ja hyödyntää edulliset tarjouksemme. Runsaat ennakko-ostosmahdollisuudet seuraavalle lennollesi löytyvät osoitteesta finnairshop.com.
We are here to help you, so enjoy your time up here.